Right, welcome to this video. Today I'll try to pick a Ahrens Challenge Lock. It's a Sargent LF IC interchangeable core. Doesn't come with a key, doesn't come with a housing. The only way I could actually mount it in the vise is to catch the top part of there to keep the barrel free. So you see the locking pawl right there moving with the core. So let's try to pick this guy. Try to keep my hand out of the way there so you can actually see the pawl there retracting. Basically the 2 times I was able to actually open it was to control. So it was not a full open, but the control pawl retracted completely. So you know what they say, if you pick it to control, you own the lock. Oh, see, the lock and pawl just moved. Actually, it is almost out of the way. Let me just put a little more height. Yeah, it is almost out of the way. There we go. So yeah, so nothing moves anymore in there, so I think I'm definitely need to control. So there we go. You can actually see the lock and pawl. Yeah, stupid me. I don't have a key. And honestly, I'm not even sure how to gut these things. If there really is 2 shear lines. So I guess I'm gonna leave it at that. Maybe give it a shot at gutting it, but we'll see after. Thanks.